You don't need another motivational video. You need a breaking point, a moment where you look at your life and realize if you keep living like this for another year, you will hate the person you become. Because right now, your life isn't falling apart all at once. It's dying slowly. One scroll, one excuse, one wasted morning at a time. And the scariest part? You've started calling it normal. But today changes that. Not next Monday, not next month. Today. This is not a self-improvement routine. This is an emergency reset. A do-or-die day that forces you to either take control of your life or keep sinking into distraction, comfort, and regret. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will never see yourself the same way again. Step 1. Disappear from the world. For the next 24 hours, your phone is no longer your friend. Turn it off. No TikTok, no Instagram, no YouTube, no meaningless conversations, no noise. Because the truth is, you are not tired from working too hard. You are tired from consuming too much. Your brain has been flooded with stimulation for so long that silence now feels uncomfortable, and that's dangerous. Because a man who cannot sit alone with his own thoughts is a man running from his own reality. Most people never realize this. They think they need motivation, but what they really need, distance from the chaos destroying their mind. And that's where the reset begins. But removing distraction is only the first layer. Now comes the part most people avoid their entire lives. Step 2. Face the truth. Sit alone. No music. No background noise. No dopamine. Just you and a notebook. Now write down the answers to these questions. What is ruining my life right now? What am I pretending not to know? What habits are making me weak? Who would I become if I changed nothing? Be brutally honest, because your future does not change when you learn more. It changes when you stop lying to yourself. And right now, deep down, you already know what's destroying you. You've just been distracting yourself long enough to avoid facing it. But today, there is nowhere left to run. And that realization, it will either destroy you or wake you up. Step 3. Destroy your weak identity. Most people try to build confidence without killing the habits making them weak. That never works. You cannot build a powerful life with a self-destructive identity. So today, we erase it. Take another page. Write down every version of yourself you are done being. The distracted version, the lazy version, the addicted version, the insecure version. Read it slowly, then destroy the page. Rip it apart, burn it, throw it away. Sounds dramatic? Good, because your brain remembers emotion more than logic, and this moment sends a message to your subconscious. I refuse to stay this person anymore. This is where your old identity dies, but an empty mind is dangerous unless you replace it with action, which brings us to the most important hour of your life. Step 4, the war hour. For the next 60 minutes, you are going to suffer on purpose. No comfort, no shortcuts. 20 minutes. Move your body until your mind wants to quit. Run, push-ups, cold shower, anything painful, because discipline is built when your body learns that discomfort will not kill you. Then 20 minutes. Clean your environment, your room, your desk, your space, because chaos around you creates chaos within you. And finally, 20 minutes. Build. Plan your next 30 days. Not your dream life, just your next steps. Wake up time, workout time, focus hours, goals. Simple, because people destroy themselves trying to change everything overnight. Real transformation begins with structure, and by now, something strange will happen. Your mind will feel quieter, clearer, lighter. For the first time in a long time, you will feel in control again. And that feeling, most people never experience it because they never disconnect long enough to hear themselves think. Now comes the final step, the step that decides whether this day changes your life or becomes another temporary high. Step 5. Make the decision. Tonight, before you sleep, stand in front of a mirror, look yourself in the eyes, and say this: my life changes now. Not tomorrow, not eventually, now. Because the truth is, nobody is coming to save you. Not motivation, not another video, not some perfect future version of yourself. You either take responsibility for your life or your habits will control it forever. This is your line in the sand, your do or die moment. And maybe your life doesn't completely transform in one day, but your direction can. And direction is everything, because the person you become in the next 5 years will be decided by the choices you make after watching this video. So don't just feel inspired. Act. Disappear for one day, face yourself, destroy the weak version of you, and start building someone you're finally proud to become. Your new life is waiting, but it will never chase you. You have to choose it.